Hey everyone, welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. I'm super excited to introduce you to a brand new product, HydroSlick. We envisioned creating a new product that was going to give you guys the beautiful shine, durable protection, and water beading action of a ceramic coating, but with the ease of use of a wax. So we started off by trying to infuse SiO2 into a wax, but it just doesn't work. So what we've done is we've created a brand new product from the ground up, and it's created a whole new category in the detailing industry, and it's considered a Hyperwax. Now what is a Hyperwax? This is a ceramic suspension gel that levels up the paintwork of any finished vehicle to give it water beading action as well as a beautiful mirror shine. Now you can apply this to a vehicle after it's been washed and clayed, or you can take it a step further for a flawless finish by polishing it, just as we've done on this Volkswagen Golf R. Now this product is also very versatile. You can use it on your paintwork obviously, but you can also use it on your wheels, your glass, which is a new innovation, as well as your headlights. Starting with your glass, that's going to help repel water so you're not using your windshield wipers as often, or it's going to help sheet water off as it's raining outside or depending on the climate, but also it's going to give you more UV ray protection. On your headlights, that's going to prevent any kind of water spots, any kind of etching there and oxidation to keep them looking crystal clear for longer. And on your paint, it's going to give you this beautiful mirror gloss for as long as possible because it lasts up to 12 months. Now you can also layer on additional coats of HydroSlick, or if you want to apply your favorite glaze, sealant, or wax, it's also layerable. All you have to do is apply 4 dots to your applicator pad and then use a cross-hatching pattern to spread it out over the surface, and the self-leveling technology will make sure that there's no high spots or any kind of streaking, and then after a few moments you simply come back with a clean microfiber towel and buff off any excess. Now a lot of people are afraid of ceramic coatings because most coatings are very unforgiving, where they're going to see high spots or they'll see streaks. But this new technology is very user-friendly where anyone can do it as long as you've applied some kind of wax. It's the same ease of use as a wax. So basically, as soon as you apply it, it's going to start leveling itself out, and then as you're wiping it off, any kind of high spots will be knocked down, and then you'll be revealing that beautiful clear shine. So now I'm going to give you guys a live demonstration on how to apply HydroSlick on this Volkswagen Golf R. So simply take the bottle, we're going to shake it up to start off with. And then we're also using a microfiber applicator. It's got a foam density pad on the inside, but the microfiber is what's going to spread it out. And then we're just going to apply 4 small dots to the pad, about the size of a dime, because you don't need heavy globs or thick lines, just a couple dots, because the product does spread very thin, spreads very fine. So it saves you product, it saves you time, it saves you effort on the buff off. And we'll start over here on the edge of the hood as well as the fender, blotching it out. We'll put a little on the headlight. We're just going to spread it out in an even coat. We're going to use that cross-hatching pattern to even out any of the high spots, but also to ensure that we've covered the entire surface. This is a great way to also fill in anything. This is how you get that leveling action. And this is also going to help enhance the longevity of the coating because now you're giving it an even coat. But like I mentioned before, we'll recap. This is going to level out the surface, which gives you that beautiful shine. But since it's a ceramic coating, it's also going to give you that long-lasting protection. It helps to give you a brilliant gloss, but it's as easy to use as a wax. So simply apply it to your applicator pad, spread it on the surface, and then give it just a moment to bond, and then wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. But like I also said, you can also use it on your glass. We'll come up here, apply just a couple more dots. We'll spread it out on the surface and work it back and forth in the same process that we did on the paintwork, because you can use this on any surface that's painted, shiny, or clear to give you that same protection. This is also going to give you that water beading and water sheeting action so that you don't have to use your windshield wipers as often. It also helps to keep your car cleaner for longer, but also this is going to make it easier to wash your car and dry your car, because now it takes just a matter of seconds rather than minutes to dry your vehicle, and it also gives you that same durable protection of a ceramic coating. So we just applied this to the fender and the hood here, and it only takes a moment to start bonding to the surface, but on a warmer day, it could be between 30 seconds and a minute, or on a cooler day, it could be up to 2 minutes. So now I'm going to take a clean microfiber towel. This is our green Workhorse towel. We're just going to buff it off, taking away any of the spent product. And here's where spreading out a fine coat or a thin coat really pays off, because now you're not fighting any buildup. It simply buffs right off. Same thing for the headlight, just wipe it away to reveal that beautiful clarity, that even shine, and now you've got up to 12 months of durable protection. But you can also apply your favorite glaze, sealant, or wax to add more shine, more protection, and more of that warm glow. Same thing with your glass. You can also apply additional coats of HydroSlick. Also, you can apply your favorite glaze, sealant, or waxes to that as well to give you more of that depth, more gloss and clarity, and just give you a beautiful overall finish. what I like to do is I'll flip the towel over just to ensure that we've buffed off all the excess, especially on glass where clarity is key. So we're not leaving anything behind, but now you've just got a super slick surface, which is going to make it difficult for water or tree sap, bird droppings, or anything to stick to the surface where it could etch. Now it simply glides right off the surface. And again, this is going to make it easier for when you're driving in rainy conditions where the water is going to simply bead right off the surface, making sure that you don't have to use your windshield wipers as often. So guys, if you want to check out HydroSlick, check it out on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop your comments down below for future videos, and we'll see you next time.